Hi, I'm Donald Cooper. Thanks for clicking on the link to learn more about the extraordinary one-day Accelerate Your Business Bootcamp being run by Dan Murray and me on October the 3rd at the International Plaza Hotel in Toronto. As you know, Dan is well known and respected as a remediation industry expert. He's been a coach and a consultant in your industry for much of his life. Dan knows his stuff. I, on the other hand, have been working with business owners and managers in over 40 industries around the world for 20 years, helping them to accelerate their business, to sell more, manage smarter, grow their bottom line, and have a life. As you know, the disaster remediation industry is challenging, and mediocrity is no longer an option. There is the adversarial relationship with the insurance companies who are in control and becoming more and more demanding and more skeptical. There's more and more stronger competition. The industry is more complex than it ever has been. How do we attract and lead a great team? How do we grow our business and our bottom line? So many challenges. So you need to work on your business. We all need to work on our business, not just in the business. In my experience over the last 20 years, what I've discovered is that most of us spend 90% of our time working in our business and 10% or less of our time proactively managing our business, our team, our future, and our bottom line. As business leaders, our first job is clarity. Nobody talks about this, but this is the simple truth. Our first job is clarity about 5 specific things. And if we, as the owners and leaders of businesses, are not clear about these specific 5 things, who else in our organization could be? So these are the 5 clarities. What do we commit to deliver? What do we commit to become? How are we going to get there? What's the extraordinary bottom line that we commit to generate, and how do we commit to behave along the way? So those are some of the things that you will take away. Insights, tools, and templates, a complete implementation handout, and my Vision Critical Guide. Each attendee at this bootcamp will receive, no additional charge, our 31-page Vision Critical Guide to create clarity about the future of your business. Who should attend this incredible bootcamp? First of all, it's not for wimps. This is not for people who want to carry on doing things the same old way forever and ever. This bootcamp is for people who want to make an extraordinary difference in the future of their business, take their business to a whole new level. It is a day, it is a full day, it is an intensive day. And as I say, it's not for wimps. Bring your management team. Our experience is that when business owners bring their management team, the results from this bootcamp are much better than if they attend alone. Businesses around the world pay $10,000 a day to work with me to help them sell more, manage smarter, grow their bottom line, and have a life. This is your opportunity for $499 and for your management team, for the additional people that you should be bringing with you to grow together as a team. The price is only $249 for those additional people. Go back to the website and register now. Great to chat with you. Bye-bye.